freaking rained out, man. I don't know if the camera's really doing it justice. Elijah's over here cooking hot dogs on the freaking heater. Freaking weirdo. Just dumping rain. They just did a raffle thing, and yeah, probably get driving a little bit. It's super wet right now. It's getting old, this whole driving in the water, but you know. It's a beautiful day.
Crack your windshield on that one.
Right there?
Yeah.
No, it's been there.
Oh.
Can't tell which way my wheels are pointed. Yeah, that's slippery.
Yeah, you pulled that bitch.
there's a tire on my car. That's what feels like shit. I stole a tire. I was wondering why that felt like shit.
Oh, bro, it's on there.
Reverse or what?
I would pull off and yank it out real quick.
I got a pry bar.
Yeah. It's in there.
So when we hit that, the tire wall, I guess we freaking, this was dragging behind us the whole time. That's ridiculous. Alright, I gotta put the camera down. All right, so on that second to last corner, me and Barrios kind of collided. We were in that ditch. We were both three-wheeling, doing wheelies, and yeah, I just kind of crashed into the back of them. We got, it's mostly just cosmetic damage. It's really not bad. And all stuff I can fix. A little bit of this here, just bend it back out. This was all bent. I already bent it a little bit straight. And then the intercooler piping in here, I got a little hole in my intercooler piping, so that's not that chill, but that's okay. I can fix it. But yeah, successful day. Car's still running. Took it for a lap afterwards to make sure it was all good. And yeah, everything's good. I just gotta cosmetically make it look nice and get ready for UDC next month. So yeah, it's all good. It's gonna be sick. It ran all day. It actually really impressed me. I was on limiter. It was overheating. Not too bad, but basically I need to do hood vents and I need to fix this before UDC and we'll be good to go. But yeah, that's a wrap on Side City 9 for me.